It looks really pretty, actually. This is actually quite cool. Hello Curlies, it's Mary and welcome back to the Curly Closet. If this is your first time visiting my channel, then welcome, and if you're returning to my channel, then welcome back. So today I'm coming to you with a fresh shave side to review and demo for the very first time the Mofajang Hair Wax. Now I ordered this off of Amazon. It took a while to get here, but it was a bit cheaper than another hair wax that I saw online, so I was like, okay, that's fine, let's go with this one. All of the instructions are in another language, apart from one side that's in this kind of like broken English type situation. Basically it's supposed to be easy to wash off, not stiff, water soluble, non-greasy, natural matte, fresh smell and clean. Yeah, exactly. So I kind of feel like, am I like the last person to review this? It's been everywhere, like it's been everywhere on YouTube, everywhere on Instagram. One of my lovely subscribers did ask me to try it, so I was like, you know what, you might have a point, this might be good. So here we are, Mofajang Hair Wax. It's sealed. It says, actually it doesn't even say wax, it says hair colouring material. And I did ask on my stories and on my Instagram, what colour should I be trying out first? So you guys said you wanted to see purple first, so here we go. I've seen some mixed reviews and some people have put in their hair with other hair products and it doesn't quite gel as well, it just doesn't quite work. So I just started to think, okay, if I had a waxy substance, what would be best suited to my hair type to put it in my hair? Would it go in with other products when my hair was wet, or should it go when my hair was dry? So I decided to go with when my hair is dry. So this is what we're doing. So hence this is the reason why I have my twists out, or twists done, and I haven't taken my twist down. I kind of decided that I was going to take my twist down on camera and then put the wax in somewhere in the process. You see where I'm going with this. So it has this kind of creamy, slightly waxy consistency. I just figured that this will go in my hair better than dry than wet. So yeah, I'm going to take this down first. Got a good wodge of it here. I was kind of thinking to just apply it sort of like this, and then maybe just, ooh, okay, and I was thinking to add it more to the end so it kind of just goes with the ombre, you know. I don't know, is it really going to cover up like the bleach bits though? I don't know, I hope so. Okay. This is looking nice so far. I'm gonna come in a bit closer so you can see like how it looks. It looks really pretty actually. It has a bit of a strong smell though, like I don't know if I like it. It has a bit of a strong smell. This is actually quite cool. So this is how it's looking so far. I mean, I'm liking it. I'm actually so excited to see how the final look is gonna be.
And I don't wonder what the lover. You give me feels when you do
so far, so beautiful. This is how it looks so far. I'm giving you a bit of a close-up so you can kind of see. Yeah, this is so pretty. I'm feeling like the bits that I started with have kind of dried a bit more and it's become a bit more rigid, kind of like gel. But yeah. I'm like trying to contain my excitement right now. Look! Look at it! Wow! Do you know what? This turned out 100 times better than I thought it would. Like, seriously? I thought it would turn out really nice, but nah. This is, yeah. Yeah, I'm loving this. Totally loving it. So first of all, for the pros, it goes into the hair pretty easily. It is a little waxy, but for me it felt a little bit more like a cream with a little bit of a waxy texture. So it's not too thick. It feels just like cream or like a kind of a pomade, but not as thick as a pomade. It's hard to describe the texture of the product, but it goes into the hair pretty easily. And it has some hold, as you can see. When I was taking my hair out initially, I had some frizz at the ends, which tends to happen with me twist outs anyway. But as I applied it into sections, like, it's actually given my hair hold in places and it's actually defined my curls at the ends. So it actually has like a 2-in-1 benefit. Like, you get the colour, but then you also get some hold and definition. You can't really go wrong with that. Secondly, the colour payoff is beautiful. And I guess it also helps that I already have like an ombre look on my hair. So the contrast with the black and the purple just looks great. So apparently this is meant to not be damaging. If you'd like me to, I can do a follow-up video and kind of explain, I guess, how the whole washing out process was. But I'm planning to keep this in for at least a few days to see how that works. So if you'd like me to do that, then please comment below and let me know. Now, there were some videos where I did see some people complaining about flaking. I'm looking at my shirt. Now I do have a bit of dust on it, but that's just like from powder and stuff from my makeup and all of that. But I had 1 or 2 very tiny spots I can see of purple on my shirt, but I honestly can't see anything too serious. And even the bits here that are white, I don't see any residue on that bit either. So it did get onto my hands and it was like a little bit messy on my hands, and it's like still a bit under my nails. But it washes off really easily. It doesn't get stuck to, you know, your stuff. So I'm hoping and praying that it don't rain, because apparently if it rains it's all over for your clothes. Overall, I'd say this stuff is great, especially if you just want to temporarily change your hair color but you don't want to necessarily dye or damage your hair, and you want a bit of curl definition at the same time. Why not? Were there any cons? It was a little bit time consuming just because I had to kind of be careful what I was doing with my hands and putting it in my hair and stuff, but it's not the end of the world. I wanted the style to look nice, so, you know, that's not a terrible con. The only other con I'd say is that if you order it from Amazon like I did, you may have to wait a while. How long did it take to get here? Week and a half? 2 weeks? It took a bit of time still. It took a bit of time. But, I mean, look at the results. I think it's worth it, and it was not expensive. It was not expensive at all. Another con is it has a bit of a strong smell, which I personally don't like. Some people said it smells like men's aftershave cologne. I don't know about that. Nobody in my family, no men in my family don't wear no aftershave. It smells like that. For me, it was a little bit strong, but over time I just kind of got used to it and it just kind of faded into the background. So, and I mean, It smells a tiny bit on my hair now, but it's not lingering in a horrible way. If you would like to see more pictures of the style, and also some footage is coming of this style right here, then please head to my Instagram. I will be posting more photos of the colour. I love the colour. Head over there and follow me on Insta. Okay, Kylie, so what do you think? Do you like it? Because I love it. I really love it. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then please comment below and let me know that you liked the video and share it with a friend. As always, wishing you health, happiness and beautiful hair. I'll see you again soon on The Curly Closet. Take care.